Hello guys, el día de hoy trabajamos con esta página. Bueno, antes de esta trabajamos con la página número 110, page 110. Sorry. Y tenemos esta historia que vamos a escuchar.
Track 68. Goodbye Vacation. Pippa, Paul, Mommy, and Daddy are going home tomorrow. School starts soon. Pippa wants more shells. She has a lot of shells in her pail now. Paul is saying goodbye to the crabs in the rock pool. Pippa and Paul are having an ice cream with Billy, their new friend. Goodbye, Billy, says Pippa and Paul. See you next vacation, says Billy. It's nearly bedtime. Suddenly, Paul sees two triangles in the ocean. Look, Pippa, he shouts. There are the dolphins. Pippa and Paul run down to the beach. Goodbye, they shout to the dolphins.
Ok, esa es la historia que tenemos. Ahora lo que vamos a hacer es, con esas fotografías que están ahí, vamos a ponerles estos numeritos from 1 to 4 to label those pictures. Number 1, se lo vamos a poner a number 1. They are eating ice cream. The kids are eating ice cream. ¿Dónde estará esa fotografía? ¿Cuál será? They are eating ice cream. Okay. Number 2. They are saying bye to the dolphins. They are saying bye to the dolphins. Number 3. They are playing with the shells and saying bye to the crab. And number 4, pues, the family are saying goodbye. Ok, no, ahí están los numeritos que vamos a utilizar. Y ya después en la siguiente página, page number 111. Okay, with this page, we are going to trace the letters B, C, and P. Okay, let's trace it. And then after that, we are going to read those sentences and match the pictures. The first one, the cake is on the plate. Number 2, the crab is in the pail. Number 3, the cookies are in the picnic basket. Okay, let's match it. Vamos a unirlas y terminamos nuestro trabajo. Ok, en clase lo hicieron muy bien. Así que nos vemos el día de mañana. See you tomorrow, Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye bye.